The LZ-33 series of linear position sensors from Alliance Sensors Group, a division of HG Schaevitz LLC, offers reliable, long-life operation utilizing LVIT linear variable inductance technology. LVIT technology consists of a high-resolution inductive sensing coil element coupled to built-in smart electronics. A conductive tube, referred to as a spoiler, travels through the coil element, changing the inductance. The smart electronics then generate an analog output signal that is proportional to the change in stroke. LZ-33 LVITs are frictionless devices that are used in a wide range of commercial and industrial applications, including automation systems, assembly machinery, and packaging equipment applications where a heavy-duty position sensor is required. The LZ-33 is available in measuring ranges up to 36 inches with choices of analog voltage, current, or digital output signals. Analog output signals are adjustable using the SenSet field calibration scaling feature. The housing is constructed of 1.3-inch OD aluminum or stainless steel and rated to IP67. LZ-33 LVITs have an excellent stroke-to-length ratio. Its through-bore design protects the sensor from mechanical overstroking. LZ-33 LVITs are durable and frictionless, making them an ideal solution for your demanding application. Alliance Sensor Group's experienced application engineers are standing by to help you solve your measurement challenges. For more information, visit us at alliancesensors.com.